Edo College of Nursing go ready Manpower to help Ogbonge healthcare. Obaseki. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say the new modernized state-owned College of Nursing Sciences go develop human capacity to help the ongoing makeover for the healthcare system, help to get quality access and healthcare for small money for the Edo people. The Edo State College of Nursing, wey dem just accredit to offer 3-year nursing program by the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria, dey before as the Edo State School of Nursing and Midwifery. As Governor Obaseki enter office, e come restructure am to world-class college with new lecture halls, offices, laboratories with first-class equipment and management wey don tanda. Obaseki come continue yarn tori pipo say for the other end for the Edo College of Nursing complex, dem dey renovate the Stella Obasanjo Hospital so that private hospitals go begin take space and form specialization. Provost for the Edo College of Nursing and Sciences, Professor Pat Okaigwe, come hail the governor when him take show concern for the health sector. She come here and say since dem resume for October 2021, Ogbonge things dey shele and dem don admit their second set of midwifery candidates, open their computer lab and their CBT center, and dem don collabo with universities for America for faculty development. Say dem achieve all these things for the 3 months wey dem open the college. Say more dey come. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.